Morning folks, Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today is February 9th, 2025, and we are here in our kitchen getting ready to start some of our tomato seeds. It's 32 degrees outside, but spring is just right around the corner. We've already have about 384 or so tomato seeds already started. We're getting ready to finish up this tray. We've got some mortgage lifter, sandwich slicer, brandy wine, beefsteak. We have all kinds of tomatoes coming on. So we're getting ready to plant my daughter's favorite. These are the little cherry tomatoes. So these are real easy to do. These are seeds that we've saved over. We just put them right back in the container so we know what they are. And guys, we're going to make this simple. We're going to take a knife and we're going to put 2 to 3 seeds in each one of these little cells. Just like that. We are going to prune these out, thin them out here real soon, whenever they start leafing out. And then we'll get these up potted into 4-inch pots. It really is this simple, guys, to grow your own food on your homestead. I even did this when I was living in an apartment and had nothing but a 4x3 balcony. Alright folks, so there we have it. We got our seeds in the tray. We're going to get them covered up with a little bit of our homemade potting soil. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you guys go ahead and check it out. We got a lot of work to do today, guys. I'm going to try to get a couple thousand seeds in the soil today. Okay, so we have them all covered up with soil now. We're going to get a humidity dome over top of this. If you guys do not have a humidity dome, a sheet of cling wrap works just fine. Just be sure to take it off as soon as the seeds start to germinate. We are going to put these on a heat mat, and they should start germinating in about 7 to 10 days. Have any questions or comments about starting your plants in the house? Hit us up down below or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know. We'll be happy to see what we can do to help. Till next time, guys, spring's right around the corner. Time to get your seeds in the ground. We'll see y'all later.